it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as is a connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Game here with another reaction. Today we're here with Skippa. Skippa Most Wanted. That one I dropped a while ago. But obviously, we just reacted to my first Skippa last week. I think or the week before. So, we're here again with another Skippa. We're gonna be doing more. We're gonna be doing more Skippa. Definitely, we're gonna be doing more. Talented artist. Jump in the one and here with the G. I say another one to do. Most Wanted. Skippa, let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go!
Where are we right now? They don't know. We have to just keep it active, you know, because we can't let Mocha keep an eye on us. We can't let them track us at that. Scumbag. Where are we right now? They don't know. We have to just keep it active, you know, because we can't let Mocha keep an eye on us. We can't let them track us at this time. We have to just keep an eye out and just keep it active. Keep it trending just like the music.
Is that Carter?
Hello, darling. How are you doing today?
You took my money, man. You took my motherfucking money, dude.
Darling, what are you talking about, darling?
What money is going out my bank account?
Darling, I didn't take any money. I sent off.
It's nothing to worry about.
Yo!
From the make it first guy, reverse the first mortgage. The boy I live like a most wanted. Oh God. Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
Oh, that is fair. Hold on. Better make the first one call and reverse the first mortgage. If we don't know that thing.
Scumbag.
If we don't know that.
Right now,
if we don't know, brother. Seriously, that's how I'm gonna say.
Keep it active, you know, because we can't let Mocha keep an eye on us. We can't let them track us at this time. We have to just keep an eye out and just keep it active. Keep it trending just like the music.
Is that Carter?
Hello, darling. How are you doing today?
You took my money, man.
Look up on our
You
biggest
took my
list.
motherfucking money, dude.
Darling, what are you talking about, darling?
What money is going out my bank account?
Darling, I didn't take any money. I sent off.
It's nothing to worry about.
Darling.
Yeah, so from the make it first guy, reverse the first mortgage. The boy I live like a most wanted. Oh God. But put that skull up on fridge to play ball. But no game nah kick, yeah. I'm from Skippa than I do it, then you can too. V8 engine I drink your side juice. Where them a claim, send them chap who spend that pan shoes. Want for rich and kick back, so all the boy not the whole right true. Cause them not too like you, me tell them fuck the whole beat and fuck the new one too. Me coulda chase pan the net, but me pull up, yo, pull up. Let's go.
The new one too. I remember in my I remember when the Go Club Rhythm they dropped back with Rush and them and everybody was authorized. One of the G them they say, yo, couldn't on a rhythm, brother. You see me? So one them say, yo, man, I need you no rhythm, dog. We still at, bro. We still out here at, you see me? So he must say, yo, fuck the old rhythm and fuck the new one. I'm late to the party. Yes, I know I'm late to the party, but I'm here. I'd rather be late than not here, I thought, but I'm here. Let's go again.
Scumbag.
Pull up, yo, pull up. Let's go.
Because we can't let Mocha keep an eye on us. We can't let them track us at this time. We have to just keep an eye out and just keep it active. Keep it trending just like the music.
Is that Carter?
Hello, darling. How are you doing today?
You took my money, man. You took my motherfucking money, dude.
Darling, what are you talking about, darling?
What money is going out my bank account?
Darling, I didn't take any money.
It's an
I
intro,
sent
bro.
off.
It's nothing to worry about.
Yeah, so from the make it first guy, reverse the first mortgage. The boy I live like a most wanted. Oh God. But put that skull up on fridge to play ball. But no game nah kick, yeah. I'm from Skippa than I do it, then you can too. V8 engine I drink your side juice. Where them a claim, send them chap who spend that pan shoes. Want for rich and kick back, so all the boy not the whole right true. Cause them not too like you, me tell them fuck the whole beat and fuck the new one too. Me coulda chase pan the net, but me no grow like you. You no follow no one, that's what you can do. Inna me and the phone seal and glue. Me and hard work come like 2 + 2. It be my not work extra speed control. Me know the password, the socially address too. Yeah. Remember all was well before the music sell. Me never know me enemy was in my management. Them say,
Ooh.
I'm not network, extra speed control. I know the password, the socially addressed too. Yeah. Remember all was well before the music sell. Me never know me enemy was in my management. Them say me nah gonna wear me laugh off of them. Me
Man said never know some enemy was in his management. So basically, I'm telling you, yo, his enemy has always been there. Only the one them that's close to you can hurt you, dog. I always say that, you know, only the one them that's close to you and know your business, know your whereabouts, and know how the operation go. Them are the most likely to hurt you. Them are the one can hurt you the most. You see me? Yeah, dog. The man I say never know some enemy was in a management.
the password, the socially addressed too. Yeah. Remember all was well before the music sell. Me never know me enemy was in my management. Them say me nah gonna wear me laugh off of them. Me know a big ball, I was start pan the bench. At them burn themself, we never go around them. Bring down one name in on the street and we uplift them. The greatness just that.
Man say them burn themself, him never go around them. Them a try to bring him name down in the street, but him a uplift them. Whoa.
Drink your side juice, where them a claim, say them chap will spend that pan shoes. Want for rich and kick back, so hell boy, not the move right you, cause them not too like you. Me tell them fuck the whole beat and fuck the new one too. Me coulda chase pan the net, but me not grow like you. You not follow no, and that's what you can do. Inna me and the phone seal and glue. Me and hard work come like 2 + 2. It be my network, extra speed control. Me know the password, the socially addressed too. Yeah. Remember all was well before the music sell. Me never know me enemy was in my management. Them say me nah gonna wear me laugh off of them. Me know a big ball, I was start pan the bench. At them burn themself, we never go around them. Bring down one name in on the street and we uplift them. The greatness just starting, I go cut with them. The Skippa bus, now go park for no fucking friend.
The Skippa bus, him not go park with no fucking friends. Play upon words. The Skippa bus, him a say, yo, him bus now. Him not go park. As in, alright then. The Skippa bus, him not bus, park, bus, Skippa, bus, not go. Play upon words. Them
burn themselves, we never go around them. Bring down one name in on the street and we uplift them. The greatness just starting, I go cut with them. The Skippa bus, now go park for no fucking friend. But don't tell her, for no studio, my gun on the phone, me a hello. Me tell her no for call when it's call them I yeah, me believe in a God, but me talk to the devil. Don't tell her, me alone, I don't know after I love. Me tell her no for call when it's call them I hang up. So hell boy, not the boat right you, cause them not too like you. Me tell her fuck the whole beat and fuck the new one too. Me coulda chase pan the net, but me not grow like you. You not follow no, and that's what you can do. Inna me and the phone seal and glue. Me and hard work come like 2 + 2. It be my network, extra speed control. Me know the password, the socially addressed too. JAMAICA'S. Scholar ball to a lad, I'm there, so I laugh and I talk to the devil. And me alone, I talk, does I make time pass to a half time. I talk, does I make time pass to a half time.
Map them. But yo, the man more risky with the car on the gas pump, dog. One funny move and the place get boom. Yo, I'm impressed, bro. And guys, I'm sorry I took so long to react to one of the G's song, brother. I'm sorry, but you never know. As you know, better late than never, like me said in the intro. Skippa, plenty more song. I'll be reacting to from you, bro. Plenty more song, bro. You're bad, G. You're bad. Big up yourself, bro. Clarity peak. Like, when I say makes sense, dog. Yo, the play upon words, when do with the Skippa boss now, him not go park. Him not go park with friends and them something that, yo, that yeah. Him must say the management, basically go around him, basically. Don't know the full story. I've got to do my research on that. Alright, somebody down in the comment section, leave in the comment section and let me hear what go on. You see me? But yo, what can I say? I will be doing more Skippa reactions. That's for sure. I'll be doing more Skippa reactions. But I'm taking my time. I'm pacing them. But yo, Skipper, big up yourself, bro. Talented artist. Very, very, very talented artist, bro. That's how I like, bro. So, big up yourself, bro. And basically, it's only you can put a foot. Only Skipper can put a foot wrong in the business zone now, because it seems like everything will go well for you, bro. So, continue, bro. You see me? Yeah, you're outside, my G. Anyway, this is I'm going to leave the one. Still, if you enjoy the one, I want to see more from you. G, drop a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, man. And I'll catch you in the next one for sure, for sure. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.